Welcome to section 3.3, day 1, properties of logarithms. Today we're going to apply properties of logarithms to evaluate logarithms. So properties of logarithms. If b, x, and y are positive real numbers, b can't be 1. Again, we talked about that the other day. And p is a real number, then the following statements are true. If we had the log base b and x times y, we break it up and turn it into addition of log base b of x plus the log base b of y. So product, we add. For the quotient, if we have log base b of x over y, we use subtraction. Log base b of x minus log base b of y. And for the power property, if we have log base b of x raised to the p, we can change that and bring that exponent out front, and it becomes p log base b of x. These properties also work with the ln function. It just has a base of e. Okay? All right, these properties are used quite a bit to help us solve logarithmic equations, to make them simpler, and to manipulate them. So applying the properties of logarithms, it says to express log 96 in terms of log 2 and log 3. So all we have to do is take 96 and break it into 2's and 3's. So 96, we can break this up. If you know what goes into it, we can do a tree diagram if you needed to. Like you'd say 96, well, we can break this into 48 and 2. And we can break 48 into 16 and 3. And 16 is the same as 2 to the 4th power. So we have 2 to the 4th, and 3. We can change this to log of 2 to the 5th times 3. And then we can break this up using our log properties. Since we have multiplication, we can turn this into log 2 to the 5th plus log 3. Using that product property. And then we have the exponent, so we can use the power property and bring that exponent out front, and we get 5 log 2 plus log 3. And this is equivalent to log of 96. Next one, it says express the natural log of 125 over 27 in terms of 3 and 5. First thing, we're doing division. We have ln of 125 minus ln of 27. And then we want these in terms of 3's and 5's. Well, 125 is the same as 5 to the 3rd. And 27 is the same as 3 cubed. And then we can use our power property, bring those exponents out front, and we have 3 ln 5 minus 3 ln 3. And we've expressed these in terms of 3 and 5. Now we want to be able to evaluate log base 2 of the cubed root of 32. First I'm going to do is rewrite this into a nicer form. This is the same as log base 2, and this is 32 to the 1/3 power. Well, if you guys know this or not, 32 is 2 to the 5th power. This is log base 2 of 2 to the 5th raised to the 3rd. We can work with our exponents, and we have log base 2 of 2 to the 5/3. Well, we have a power now, and we can bring that exponent out front. This is 5/3 log base 2 of 2. And hopefully you recall from the other day that the log base 2 of 2, if you have something with the same base as the argument, it becomes 1. This is 5/3 times 1, and I will show that, which becomes 5/3. And we have evaluated this using our logarithm rules. Here it says you evaluate 3 ln e to the 4th minus 2 ln e squared. Well, maybe if you guys remember from the other day, if we have ln e to the 4th, when you have ln's, the base is e, And if you have ln e, base e to the fourth, it just becomes 4. It's one of those properties we learned the other day. We have ln e squared. Well, we have, again, base e squared, we just get the exponent back, which is 2. This is 12 minus 4. This is 8. These are using some of those properties from the other day. All right, moving on. We want to be able to expand logarithms, break them up. Sometimes we do this, we can simplify things. Sometimes we're just doing it so it's easier to work with. So some of what you do today on your assignment is just expanding things out. Well, if we have 4m cubed n5 all inside, we are multiplying those 3 terms together, those 3 pieces together. I shouldn't say terms, but pieces together. We can break this apart using our product property. This is ln 4 plus ln m cubed plus the natural log of n to the 5th. And then we can bring those exponents out front. So we have ln 4 plus 3 ln m's plus 5 ln n's. And this is my expanded form. For part B, we are doing division. So this is the same as log of 2x minus 3. Don't forget those parentheses around the 2x minus 3, minus the log. And I'm going to change the way this is written. This is the same as 3x to the 1/4. And I'm going to rewrite it that way, minus log 3x to the 1/4. That second piece, that log of 3 times x to the 1/4, we can use the product property on. And I'm going to use a bracket here, so this is log of 3 plus log of x to the 1/4. And we can keep going because we have a power. And I'm going to do, actually I'll do it one at a time. We have log 3 plus 1/4 log x. The last thing is I'm going to get rid of these parentheses by distributing the negative sign. So we have log 2x minus 3 minus log 3 minus 1/4 log x. This is my expanded form. All right, so that's expanding logarithms using our properties. We will work more with these tomorrow, and we do use these properties also when we get into solving logarithmic equations. That is all for section 3.3, day 1. Today we looked at properties of logarithms and how we can use a product, quotient, and power properties to expand or simplify things as well. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.